In a series of intensive search operations and area domination exercises, security forces have targeted fringe and vulnerable areas across hill and valley districts. On a recent operation in Mongbung village, Jiribam district, a fortified bunker was successfully destroyed, signaling a significant move to curb illegal activities in the region. Further operations in Chanung and Jolan village, located in Imphal East district, led to the recovery of a kg of weapons and communications equipment. Among the seized items were a locally made single barrel firearm, an SLR magazine, 21 rounds of live ammunition, and a Pompey locally made mortar and a Baofeng radio set sense battery. The discovery of these items indicate a potential attempt to establish or sustain unlawful armed activities in the area. In a simultaneous operations in Chandal district, specifically between Gunjil and border pillars 48 and 49, security forces unearthed more arms and protective gear. The recovered items included a pistol, a hand grenade, a grenade igniter, 3 local mortars, Pompey, 4 live rounds, and 2 bulletproof jackets. This finding suggests ongoing efforts to mobilize armed groups or fortify existing hideouts near the border region. These concreted efforts by the security personnel aim to stabilize the region, suppress armed insurgency, and prevent the proliferations of illegal weapons in the conflict-prone districts.